Alright, hey guys, Salah, and today I'm going to show you how to initialize and build an environment as well as download the cm7 source code. First thing you're going to need is patience. Ubuntu is a pain in the ass. If you're going to be doing this like I am inside of a VirtualBox, watch my other video and it'll basically guide you on how to do everything. So the first thing we need to do is open up this little text folder right here, which I'm going to put on whatever website that I decide to put this on. I'm going to have this so that you can just copy paste just like I am. And I want to go through some things. First thing, I'm copying this down right here, but if you're on 32-bit, you're going to need to copy this right here instead. After you backspace delete these cross things, I don't know, they're not curly braces, so that's all, it doesn't matter to me. Anyways, you gotta delete those, and if you're running on Ubuntu 11.10, then copy that and paste that into terminal instead of, as well as this right here. This is 64-bit, this is 32-bit, this is 64-bit plus Ubuntu 11.10. I know I said that like you're stupid or something like that. You're not. Everybody starts at the beginning. It's just some people miss some things. Okay, so first thing we need to do is we need to move that right. Frustration begins. Alright. Okay, so let's go ahead and hit Control-Alt-T, open up the terminal, and we're going to add the repository for RAM Roberto/Java. Okay. Then sudo apt-get update. Alright, now we just paste that. Yours is going to look a little bit different because you possibly haven't already installed Java. Okay, now we're going to do this part right here. This isn't mandatory, but I do suggest it because it kind of is mandatory. Paste that. Okay. Now we're going to install this stuff right here. Okay. Okay. Done. Okay, I'm gonna stop right there to just basically cover what I've done so far. Okay, so the first thing I did is I added a new PPA to your repository list. Then I just did a sudo. I don't understand that myself. A sudo apt-get update. I guess it basically just updates the PPA or something. Ubuntu is a mystery to me, even after 2 years of using it. Yeah. Okay, then I installed everything, all closed source Java. Then I removed all open source Java. Okay, then this right here, I installed all the necessary libs and so forth. Basically the tools you need to compile the Android source code. Okay, these 3 lines right here, I made new directories for the Android source code to go as well as repo to go. This line right here that doesn't want to highlight, that's I downloaded repo from the Google place. I'm so technical, I know. I'm just, am that way. Okay, then I gave read and execute permissions to repo. Then this one right here, what this does is it adds repo, or adds, excuse me, it adds the file bin to your system path. Okay, now the repo minus u get.github. What I have no idea what's going on with me right now. What that does is it's gonna basically okay, there we go. What this is going to do is going to put an Android folder inside of once we CD the Android system. So that's what we're going to do right now because you don't want to do this outside. So let's cd/Android/system. Okay. Now we're going to paste that. Oops. Okay. Okay. Now we're all done initializing, I guess you'd call it. So let me just show you what all we've done before we get into some repo syncing. Let's go to our home folder. This is the bin folder we created. This is repo. This is the Android folder. This is the system folder that we created. I've already got all the source code downloaded, so you get to see it ahead of time. Now let's go. What we do next is repo sync -j16. Now once I hit enter, it's gonna take about 2 hours, and you'll get a folder inside your Android system folder. You'll get all this. Okay, well, that is it. I'm gonna end the video there.